Hi, I'm Lee Martucci. I'm the Vice President of Aspire Pavers, and we're here today at the historic Greenwood Cemetery in St. Louis. Here at the Greenwood Cemetery, it's a historic black cemetery that's on the Registry of Historic Properties. And this was basically abandoned for many years. There was grass around here 3 to 4 feet high. You couldn't even see the actual tombstones until Raphael and Shelley got involved in the project. They wanted to restore it. They got to a point where they got it back open again, and the road was a big problem because this road that I'm standing on would develop huge ruts and runoff from water until it made it undrivable. And so people couldn't even get to the bottom of the hill, would have to park their car and walk down the rest of the way. So they wanted to redo this road, a major part of the restoration project, and that's where we got involved. So Aspire Pavers were chosen for this project for a couple reasons. First and foremost, they wanted a sustainable product. Not only are these pavers permeable, which are better for the environment because it returns our water back into the ground, but they're also made from recycled materials. So when they learned about that versus another concrete solution, they were totally intrigued and wanted to learn more. Personally, when I first was contacted, putting my sales hat was like, this is a great opportunity for us to use our product. But as I started learning more about the project and the history and how meaningful this was, I became very excited to be involved and be part of the project. Not only do we have a chance to showcase our product, which is great, but it's really involved in a project that is good for the community. And just to hear all the stories that we heard today and the volunteers that all came together to make this happen, is just a great project to be part of. I couldn't be happier with the outcome. Missouri contractors did a great job. It was the first project that they'd done with Aspire. They're totally thrilled with it. They said it was easy. They love it. The people that here and got to walk up and down this road say it's beautiful, and it is. And we're very proud here at Aspire to be part of this project at a historic landmark.